The moment when greed takes over.
Spilled some water on the floor. Gotta get it all cleaned up. Okay, that's better.
She's in a war zone.
Those are dive bombing, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my.
She's just as scared as we are.